Yeah, hi guys, very good morning to all of you. I think you guys had understood the story of Roman times, because I have explained in a very clear way in all three videos, and I have given the information also that the work is very important, homework for you is very important, so that you can complete it at a time. And if you have lots of time, so please use that time. You can do it in your good handwriting. And so before starting to give the word, to find out their meaning, please take a short look of the Roman times. So I am going to explain you a summary. So whenever the school will open, I will go through the all chapter. I will ask the summary from you, all the chapters. So please listen the chapter carefully and summary also. If you have the book, so please read the book. So let's start. We can entertain ourselves with different things. Like we can entertain ourselves by outdoor games, like to entertain with the TVs also. So we can play the game also, PUBG, Ludo. So we can entertain for us nowadays like that. But when can you imagine that when the people don't have the TVs, in fact the mobile also, then how they can entertain themselves? How? Because they are using on that time the chariot racing games. It is the game which is in old Rome, like it's a country Rome. So there the race is there, so that people can entertain themselves, and it is a very famous activities Roman times in 2000 years ago in Italy. And in fact thousands of people would go to watch the races of the chariot. And the biggest stadium name was the Circus Maximus. The 250,000 people are participating in that game. It means that it was the 3 times bigger as modern football stadiums. In fact, there were 4 famous chariot racing club in Rome, and each club had a different colors. Like I have explained in last videos that in our school we have a 4 house group, like red, green, yellow, blue. So it indicates whenever the day you are wearing that color t-shirt, it shows that yes, you are belonging from that group. So here also they are using the different color so that it can indicate that which clubs they are just indicating which clubs they are just from which clubs. So with the help of color they can indicate the clubs. In fact there were 24 races in one day. It means that 24 races in one day. Can you imagine that 24 races? So that's why the people who got free time, they are going to there to just entertain themselves with that game. In fact the people who are participating in that games, that people are called chariots. And so whenever they are just participating, if they win, they become a very rich and famous. In fact this game was very dangerous, and races is also very dangerous. In fact in that races their horses were also killed. In fact that between the race, the Romans were watched from the gladiators fight to death. Means they are watching that how they are fighting with each other and how they are winning. Just take a short look. Here is the picture of the horse. See how the people, they are just with the help of race horses, people are racing. In fact they are thinking that they are a bloodthirsty. Now in fact not all the entertainers are there, only few are there. It was very cruel. In fact they all are, in fact they are in game also, they all are using the acrobats, they all are using the jugglers, and all the entertainers are enjoying to watch these games. So I think that you guys understood. So let's start to give the word. And one more thing, that gladiators fight were sometimes stopped to allow the fighters to rest. The gladiators fights who just don't allow the fighters to rest also. So see how cruel they are. But only that much I think you guys had understood. So let's start the word. so that you can find out their meaning, and you should write down it in your course copy. So your first word is like outdoor. Write down the spelling. O as an orange, U as an umbrella, T as an tiger, D as an door, O as an orange, again O as an ox, R as an red. So your word comes like outdoor, outdoor. Next word is entertainment. Write down the spelling. E as an umbrella, E as an ear, N as an nose, T as an tiger, E as an eye, R as an rose, T as an tomato, A as an apple, I as an ice cream, N as a nose, M as an mango, E as an ear, N as a nose, and T as an thirsty. So your word comes like entertainment. Entertainment. Next word is chariot. Write down the spelling. C as an car, H as an horse, O as an orange, R as an rose, I as an ice cream, O as an orange, and T as an tomato. So your word comes like CHARIOT, chariot. Next word is gladiators. Write down the spelling. G as an green, L as an lion, A as an apple, D as an dog, I as an ice cream, A as an apple, T as an tiger, O as an orange, R as an rose, and S as an sun. So your word comes like GLADIATORS, gladiators. Next word is acrobats. Write down the spelling. A as an axe, C as an car, R as an rose, O as an orange, B as an banana, A as an apple, T as an tiger, and S as an sun. So your word comes like ACROBATS, acrobats. And your last word is jugglers. Write down the spelling. J as in jug, U as in unicorn, G as in gun, again G as in goat, L as in lion, E as in ear, R as in rose, and S as in sun. So your word comes like JUGGLERS, jugglers. So only that much word is there. You have to find out their meaning from the dictionary and write down it in your course copy. Please write down it in your good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.